Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Another question where most of the student got it wrong, and to make it easy for you, first of all you should know that you have a setting of cube here and a square here, right? And this 3 tells us that you should have a base of 3. Keep this in mind first, okay? And after this you must always remember there should be a power setting of 3 and 2. That means 3 and 2. So ultimately when we see this one is a 27 plus 9 gives us 36, and the problem is solved. But problem is not solved yet, because it's saying all the possible values. So it is not only 3 that we are finding out, we are finding out imaginary values too. And for finding out imaginary values, what we do is, first step is a cube plus a square negative 36. This is the first step. Now we need to have something concrete to bring it here, and minus, you should have 3 cube plus 3 square to make it 36. Now you can see this 9 plus 27 plus 9 gives us 36. Now from here what we do is we open the bracket and make it something like this, and plus minus is a minus, 3 square equals 0. Now what comes next is, I know very well this is a cube and this is also a cube, so we can write together. So I will write here a cube minus 3 cube, and this plus a square I'm writing here, so no sign of difference, and here 3 square. Now I can see that this formula and this formula are going to work simultaneously together. Now this means I can write a cube minus 3 cube and plus a square minus 3 square. So this is in terms of a cube minus b cube, and this one is a square minus b square. Both the formulas are written here. Now as soon as you get this, you know very well how to open this bracket. You will open this bracket this way, a minus 3, and in the second bracket you will have a square plus 3a plus 9 for the first bracket, and for the second bracket you will have a minus b and a plus b, something like this. Now very well, you know very well that this one and this one both are same, so we take them as a common and we write a minus 3 only one time, and on this side of the left side of the plus sign you have a square plus 3a plus 9, and on the right side you have a plus 3. So ultimately what you have now, a minus 3, and here you have a square, 3a and 1a gives a 4a, so you write plus 4a, and 9 plus 3 is going to give you a 12. That's how we are finding out imaginary values. In here it gives you a minus 3 is the first value, which is giving you a plus 3. This is in the very beginning we found out, but we are more interested in all the values. So in here, using a quadratic formula, what we will use is a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals 12. First we find out discriminant here. B square minus 4ac is going to give us, that means 16 minus 4, a is a 1 and c is a 12. This gives you 16 minus 48, that means negative 32 is your discriminant here. Now we use minus b plus minus under root negative 32 over 2, that means minus b is a 4 plus minus this is -1 and -32 over over 2. Now this gives us -4 plus minus iota. I will use instead of radical -1 because this is equals to iota, right? And in here what we have is, how can we make it 32? 16 and 2. That means this is going to give us 16 and this one is going to give us a 2. And in the next step I will write once again -4 plus minus iota. 16 is going to give us a 4 and radical 2 over 2. Now can we divide this one easily? This gives us 2 plus minus 4 divided by 2 is going to give us a 2 radical 2 iota. Okay, so these are the two imaginary values. So in here what we write is q1 equals 3, q2 equals 2 plus 2 radical 2 iota, and q3 is going to give us 2 minus 2 radical 2 iota. So these are the three possible values. First one is 3, second one is this one, and third is this one. Thank you for watching. Wish you all the best, and I'll be posting videos soon on topics like this. Thank you very much once again.